Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Team Bull.
Right. What's up, Grizzology?
What's up? Good morning.
How you doing, dog?
Doing well. How's your morning going?
It's great. I'm doing fantastic. I ain't got nothing to complain about. Waking up, another day doing what I love, trading with Team Bull, helping people with DOD. Working a man asked for.
Got the leg day out of the way. I'm happy about that. So.
I'm doing legs today, too.
Oh, hopefully we keep the winds coming today.
I did not watch the State of the Union. I don't watch the news.
I don't watch stuff like that either. Just have AI summarize it in one paragraph.
I don't watch the news. Neither side. What's up, Big Zoe?
What's up, YouTube, TikTok? How is everyone? Welcome in. I am early this morning. I am early. You have leg day as well, MJ? Terry, you so what you want to do, Terry? Go to get on your desktop, go to WAP and reclaim it, okay? Then refresh everything. That should fix it. Good morning. I'm convinced Jaden's lost it, okay? With the bear mask. What's up, Hector? How you doing this morning? I have been loving the hex bar deadlifts. I don't know why I haven't been doing them longer. So much easier on the lower back. And you can put some serious weight on them. It's going well this morning. Any questions? I started early so we'd have more time this morning. Just wanted to get on here, talk. We did good yesterday. We had a nice winning trade. Ended up making like 1,000 or something. Nothing crazy. I'm not for sure, crypto. They're both close. I like the day one payouts would take profit the best. But I like how you can trade 20 accounts with Apex, you know? That being said, I mostly trade my personal account. I try my best to run up some payouts with you all, but my main focus is my personal. Good. All good. Yeah, RDLs are wicked for sure. The one leg one's what gets me. One leg. I don't mind the other. How much capital can you... Nothing now, Hector. I used to. How much capital to start personal? Well, if you try Tradeovate and you just want to try, very light size with M and Q, you could probably start with 2,000. I feel like 5,000 would be a lot more comfortable, but Tradeovate has lowest margin requirements that I'm aware of. Do I have any Grizzology subscribers in here right now? I wanted to talk about the upcoming update. I had the best idea at the gym this morning. Two things for those that are on here. I was trying to wait till the crowd got here for that topic though. Yeah, jeans and Team Pool, yes. On TradeStation, you can trade one M&Q with about 400. All right, Travis, thanks. Maybe TradeStation. I said I was going to try it this year. I just haven't made the move yet. We've been so locked in and we've been doing well. I just, I'm not for sure if Tradeovate has, how they hold up. Do they have a lot of issues? Are they down often? TradeStation rather. Is TradeStation down often or? They're not down often? I sold some covered calls yesterday. Oh, gonna stand all morning after leg day. Empty my pockets. Take some weight off. What's up? I was watching for a bounce, everyone, at this overnight high, but we just ripping straight up, so. Unless you're in space, Hector. Unless you're in space. It has been some tough price action, Travis, and I think we got a couple factors. The partial government shutdown, the big earnings season, them two things can make price action difficult. Luckily, we have a NVIDIA earnings after close today.
Serious.
NVIDIA earnings after close today, Team Bull.
Oh, that's right. We do have NVIDIA. We do have NVIDIA earnings.
I also sold some covered calls on our MARA shares yesterday. I don't know if you all seen that.
I love when y'all send me nice messages on Instagram. This guy said,
Are you?
What?
I was gonna ask if he's going skiing this weekend.
No, probably not.
You over it for the year?
I've went 15 days so far. I wanted it 20 days, but I'm not sure that I'm going to. Someone messaged me and said, "What's up, Jay Dunn?"
Welcome in. We got time for questions before the crowd gets here, everyone. Ticker MARA is what I sewed some cover calls on. Are you looking, Cobra, looking for something to connect? Oh wow, look at that candle. I have I actually know a copy trading platform. I can send you the link, Cobra, if you message me on IG. If anybody wants a link to where you can copy your trades, it's a cloud-based platform, so they're not always going to be perfect, but it is what it is. It's one of the well-known ones. You just got to be sure you keep an eye on them. I don't want anyone losing money, because I have lost money trying trade copiers, like where you can link all your accounts together. Just have to be on top of your game, okay? If you want the link, just DM me on Instagram. I'll send it over after live, okay? No, Terry. Wait, Blue Sky? Yeah, Terry, you can use code Grizzly with Blue Sky. I don't promote them much, but pretty sure code Grizzly works with them. I haven't reached a payout with them though, Terry, so just a heads up. I have not reached a payout with them. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Where is YouTube? Well, I guess they'll be here a little closer to open. What's the point of copy trading over one big account? Travis, with like Apex, you can have 20, 50K accounts. And if you link, I'm not telling everyone to do this, I'm just giving an example. Let's say you can get 20 Apex accounts, right? And let's say you have 5 take profit accounts. With a trade copier, you have a lead account, you just take the trade on one account, and what the other company does, it copies them across all your accounts at once. Make sense? So let's say you have 20 Apex accounts, 50K, and you reach the 2,000 first payout each account because you have them linked, right? That's one big payout together. Make sense? But like I said, I know you can do that on NinjaTrader, but if you all want something to copy all of them together, I can send you the link. You just have to DM me, I don't know, copy or something, all caps, and I'll send it after live. Good morning, DJ. Welcome in. What's up, Jersey? Where's the dad jokes this morning? Good morning, Fabiola. Hope you're having an amazing morning. to talk. I'm watching a bounce here. I hope it doesn't hit pre-market. If it does, I may try it though. See if I can get a word in here with Team Bull. All right, Team Bull, I'm watching setup. If we pull back to this overnight high, 25,090, I'm gonna watch for a possible long entry there. If you can see my screen. 25,090 area. Well, 25,100 to 25,090. Even if we sweep that and we get a nice volume, high volume candle close above it, I'll look for entry off that. Dad joke of the day. Why did the golfer bring 2 pants? Let me see if I can guess. I have no idea. In case you got a hole in one. Yeah, that's right. I see. Good one. I'm not in a trade, everyone. I'm watching for a trade. This overnight high. The overnight high area. Yeah.
Private.
Good morning, Tiffany. Good morning, Juliana. What's up, everyone? What was I gonna say? YouTube's finally waking up. People getting on here. Make sure you're following TikTok. I go live every morning. I'm on here early answering questions before the market opens, which is not too much longer. Like 8 minutes or so. Live on TikTok and YouTube. Any questions you have, just drop in the chat here. See if I can answer them. If you haven't got your coffee or whatever you're drinking this morning ready, do so. It's almost time. I want to try shorts here so bad, but I just don't like taking a trade before market opens. It's almost time. Because it can just be so, the market can be so weird on that first 5-minute candle, do what it wants. Oh. Oh, hit my elbow. Ouch. Hope I didn't hurt the table, I mean, you get charged if you have the evals, Tiffany. You get reoccurring charge if you don't pass every month. Just make sure once you're funded, you just hitting the minimal trading days required. You should be good. You all felt that one? I hope not. Nothing worse than, well, there is things worse, but hitting your funny bone's never fun. 2 Fed speakers today. Awesome. Bring it. Where's the snow? Oh, in Jersey? What's up, Tom? Yeah, I'm watching a couple setups, Tom, but right now the main one I'm watching would be bounces overnight high. Let's see. The trend is up though, so if we can catch a trend move up or trend entry up, I would be down for that as well. Pre-market trend. Looks like Asia was horrible last night.
It was slow. I was on for a little bit trading it. It was slow. We saw a really nice 2-bar on Asia last night. A really, really nice 2-bar played out.
Man, I've got a strategy built, but it only takes like 5 trades a month on Asia.
What was that last night?
Oh.
This was a nice pullback for Traceman too. That's not what I was looking at, but here was the 2-bar from Asia last night. If you're on the screen share, we had candle 1, candle 2 higher volume, retested back down, went from like 20.
What's up? Snowing in Long Island? I'd like to come back to Long Island. I haven't been there in a long time. I need to visit. Hit Soul Brew up. Have some coffee, some breakfast. Sounds good. I'm not for sure what we're gonna do, Terry. But price action is looking better than it has all week so far. That's all I'm saying. It may just fall apart, but right now, this is shaping up to be the better trading day. But we do have NVIDIA earnings after close, so we got to keep that in mind. Appreciate the follow, David. Follow on TikTok, everyone. If you like, come from TikTok, move over to the YouTube. I'm live on there as well. Follow, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. I had a protein shake for breakfast after leg day, 40 grams. Short. Mr. Babar says short. I'm down. I wanted to go short right here, but it's pre-market. I hate taking trades during pre-market, Mr. Babar. Yeah, we've probably seen similar things there. The volume was one thing that I was looking at. Did VIX play a part in your... Let's see if we have... We don't have no... I don't see any resistance up above everyone, so... I hope we get a move down, Mr. Babar. I'm watching for a bounce right here. I'd like to see if we push down to that. Welcome in, everyone, and good morning. Let's see if we can keep the win streak going today. What are we, 2-0 on the week? I'm going to adjust my... Why is everything's cluttering up together? We got the point of control trying to overlap, but I want both of these on the screen. So I'm going to leave this up for now because when market opens, this will change, and it's about to open now. Let's do this.
Spare, baby. Get on.
Let's do this, Team Bull. Let's make some money. Price action looks better today than it has all week, so hopefully we get some clean trades.
Hopefully, we got a rip off the open. See.
Wow, it's just moving right off my screen, the chart. Good morning, everyone. For those just joining. Wow. Crazy. Pre-market high and low. Pre-market starts at 4, ends at market open. The way I use it. I have found out there's not always one correct way to chart your levels, though. This is the way I use mine and like mine set up. Is that true, New York? Is that really going to happen? That would be pretty cool if we got the government match 401ks, I guess. If that's really going to happen. Definitely would max it out if that was the case. I'm not sure why we're still pumping up here, unless it was that news. It's the government match. Well, it was discussed in the State of the Union yesterday, right? I didn't watch it, but I read a summary of it. What if you're self-employed? Wonder, One Nation. Appreciate the follows. It seems like it's going to be difficult to do. I agree. TikTok, YouTube, share the live. It's time. Let me lock in here, see if we can make some money. Team Bull, what are you all watching in chat? What's your favorite setups, everyone? We got a Fed speaker going right now. Barking. It's barking. Official banger request. I would like to catch a nice trade. I'd be okay with one like yesterday.
It's hard, huh? The quality's great.
Is that Gene?
Yep. We're twinning. And deal. Come on. Go twin with me. Hold on. Zip your jacket up. Look at us twinning. Hold on, come over here a little more. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute?
All right. I am ready. Let's see. I guess we watch for a pre-market high bounce. What do you all think? That's the only thing I see. It's such a crazy buy candle off the open. Wow, my legs. Any questions for me? We have time. We're just waiting. You can see what's happening. There's just straight up, no pullbacks yet. Let's TikTok share the live. Where's Thomas at this morning? I don't see him. Welcome in YouTube. Run up the thumbs up, please, at the top if you don't mind. Wherever you click them. Favorite sushi roll? That's easy. Tuna avocado roll all day. What about you all? We're just gonna talk until we see a setup. Once we get close, we'll lock in. What's the bottom of that? 160? 190? I would be possibly open to a bounce around that 190. Half position here. What do you all think? Take half here, half at pre-market. Stop either. Oh, didn't mean to hit that. Stop at 164. We could even go 157, but I like 164 better from a risk reward perspective. Favorite eel and avocado. I'm not crazy about eel. I'll eat it, but like it's just not my favorite texture. Favorite piece of steak. If I had to only have one cut of steak the rest of my life, I'd probably go with a strip. It's a good in between. That's what I'm saying, Shazo. Crazy open. What, Nick? Come on. Medium rare is my go-to, you know. Medium rare. We're just talking steak until a setup happens. 15-minute. Well, no, 15-minute range is not in. I'm getting ahead of myself. What's up, Lauren? Best steakhouse. I don't know. In the Knoxville area where I live? I don't know. Probably. I would say Fleming's. Maybe Lonesome Dove ribeye. The buffalo ribeye is solid. Appreciate the likes, TikTok. Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. Nice. I had a question for you. Well, I wanted to talk about something, if it's cool, for just a minute. Then we can change topics if you would like. Grizzology. I had a good idea at the gym this morning. I'm going to add it. A couple things I plan on adding. This is not 100% on both, but my plans as of now. So first off, I'm gonna add in something you can toggle on and off if you would like, but it's gonna show the range for the day. I know it's called the ADR, but what it's gonna do, the way I'm gonna put it on Grizzology, it's actually gonna shade the expected, the average range. So when we get into trades, we know it's gonna help us hold our runners longer, right? And I'm gonna add the strategy I built for Asia. Okay, for those of you that trade Asia session, it's not going to take a ton of trades, but it's pretty solid. You all can, back test it yourself, check that out, see if you like it. If you don't want it, whatever. Just wanted you all to know that. I'm going to add that to Grizzology for you all. It should be pretty fast. I would expect. Well, I know adding the ADR will be the toughest, the way I'm going to add it, but the other one's ready. All I got to do is put the code in. And that is it, everyone. I'm ready for your questions now. You're a butcher for a living? Nice. I guess not if you're a vegetarian, but, if you like steak. What is this massive move up? Come on. Live in Puerto Rico. I'm considering getting a place in Puerto Rico. I'm just gonna be honest. I am considering it. Very. I'm looking into it. Probably ask why. Because I'm tired of paying a ton of taxes and it going towards bad causes. And that's just the truth. They shouldn't take as much as they do, and it should be actually used for what it said it's going to be used for. He's only in his channel now, so I would rather donate to a nice charity of my, stuff to actually help people that I know is going to help people. Right? Why not let us put our money where it's actually going to help the people? Not too bad. Property taxes aren't too bad in Tennessee. I mean, it would be a no-brainer for me to move to Puerto Rico if it wasn't for my, family, of course. Have to figure that out first. Of course, I would still come back to Tennessee. I own properties and houses here, but we chat everywhere a lot, Shazo. TikTok and YouTube pretty solid, but I tell everyone to move over from TikTok to YouTube. Just go, even if you're gonna watch it on TikTok, follow, subscribe. I'm sure you already are, Shazo. Just for those that haven't. You have to spend 180 something days there to get the tax. I mean, if you could move to Puerto Rico right now from where you are and save hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, would you not? I mean, just honestly, I know it's oh yeah, Robert, that's who that is. Shazo, the one and only. That's where Rake's at now. I could just hang out with Rake, right? I like Rake. He's really, really cool dude. Entertaining as well. So funny. A lot of hurricanes in Puerto Rico. That's okay. I'll fly back to Tennessee. First time I see a Category 3 or higher on the news, straight back to Tennessee. Oh yeah, me too. One Nation. No, I was talking about Rake. You all know Rake, right? The orb, yeah, definitely in play. The orb, good catch there, but we have to wait on the retest. The orb is, well, yeah, 100% in play. Let's lock in. Let me talk to Team Bull. 300. Wow, that fair value gap, look where it is. All right, Team Bull. I'm sure you already know what I'm watching, but looking for a pullback to the kind of. I can't decide if I want to take it around like 297 or wait till 280. What are we thinking?
I'm watching for a pullback for sure.
Where to? You looking 280 or you like the 290s?
Probably try around like 290.
Yeah, 297. Then maybe leave a little room to add.
Yeah, we'll stop for like 270, 269.
Yeah, I like that.
Yep. We're just nothing. No pullback whatsoever. Okay, we're just worth that. All right, I'm watching for this pullback down here.
If we ever get a pullback, it's just going straight up.
It should be more like right here, probably.
Don't understand why my phone batteries keep dying so fast. Oh. Let me plug this in for you, YouTube, so the phone don't die. Off the screen? My bad. Everyone can see and hear me, right? We get this pullback, I'm gonna try some. $290s first add. I'll add a little more in the 80s, but my stop will be above the candle with the ORH. Will be below it, right at the bottom of it, rather. Awesome. Yeah, looking for a pullback. Go long, everyone. Alright, Damien, I'll do that. They're just my old phones, besides the one I stream on TikTok with. It's my current. Let's see here. Good to know. NVIDIA going off, ripping. Whenever NVIDIA has some strength. Let me take a look at NVIDIA. I actually want to see it. I'm going to look in front of me on the chart. Wow, NVIDIA ripping for sure.
NVIDIA's earnings today too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Tesla as well. Tesla's having an interesting candle. We're down at that 50% retracement of the first candle.
Wow. Just straight up, everyone. What we do? We just go waiting on pullback. Appreciate the follow, me. We got me and me in here. Anybody, that's good. One Nation. I like that. Nice, cowboy. I just call you cowboy. I don't know why. Let's see. Are we all in agreement? Midline's first add. We'll add more in the 80s. Close to the full size position. We'll stop out below the confirmation candle. Oh, that's right. My bad. That's right. I remember now. I was thinking about someone else. That is right. I talked to you on Instagram. Let's see here. No, I'm not in a trade. It's not time yet. See the white line right here? That midline? That'll be my first entry for longs if we pull back. Next entry would be in this area. If you prefer, you can wait till lower down, just take one entry, set our stops here. I swing trade whenever the opportunity presents itself. They could, NVIDIA earnings could. Imagine trying to trade NQ when NVIDIA reports. I bet there'll be some good movement on NQ. This is the midline in this fair value gap, and this is the 15-minute range high. So what we see here, well, it didn't quite get down there. I didn't see that push down. Did it just wig down? Jesus. That was probably it, everyone. I didn't even see that happen. I was talking to you on just pushed straight down. That is a bummer. Pullback was just too quick for me, Team Bull.
Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it either. It wouldn't. Looking back, it got close. It would have been maybe at 300, but not early. And it looks like it happened quick. Looks like it happened quick.
97. I mean, it pushed down to 303. I was going to take my first entry at 97. Pretty close.
All right, let's get it. I'll still watch for it. It's a little less high probability now.
A little lower probability. welcome in everyone. Make sure you follow TikTok if you like. Move over to YouTube. You can find my link in grizzlytrades.com for YouTube. grizzlytrades.com. Watch it wherever you would like, but I think we'll still have another entry. Let's go be patient. It did miss our midline, so I'm not for sure we would even take that either. But it was close. Very close. Did you take it, Thomas? Nice, man. Oh, you're on QQQ? Oh. Yeah, that's true, Mason. That's a good point as well. We are looking at the NQ 5-minute chart. Appreciate you all hanging out. Mr. Babar, I've been there. Good luck to you. I hope it just rips down. Rips down for you. Oh, wow. I didn't realize Tesla was selling back off. I hadn't looked at it in a minute.
Yep. I'm always watching Tesla.
But Nvidia still got the dad strength. It's going. Nvidia's strong. It's just pump all day. As long as Nvidia's pumping.
DOD dropping me payouts and dropping 10 pounds to start. That's awesome.
Phew! Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Something horrible. Thank you. Appreciate it. TikTok, man. I just want to put this out there. If you go into someone's live stream and spam follow me for trades, no one's gonna follow you. I just hate to tell you, just not gonna happen. Desperation does not attract. Yeah, that's how you start following me. That's funny. That's a good one. Bots and bots. Dad sneeze. Share the live, everyone. I'm watching it. Let's see what kind of volume we get on this candle here, everyone. If we see a massive increase in sell, negative delta on this candle, I would be a little hesitant. Still like our original plan. I like it closer to that 15-minute range high, though. We just don't have volume, even though the dashboard's telling us we this chart in front of me is always messing up. I don't understand it. It's just this one chart. Where did NVIDIA pull back to? NVIDIA barely pulled back any. Push down. Yeah, just because it's bearish, I still like to use volume to confirm at a key level. Everything could, trigger, like, what I'm trying to say is only take trades at key levels. TikTok, make sure you follow, and if you would like, move over to YouTube, follow there. Nick, I don't watch the volume on MNQ, only NQ. Only NQ, my friends. I'm pumped about the new Grizzology update, everyone. I think it's really going to help us hold our winning trades longer. And it's going to help with the Asia session for you all that trade it. For all of you. Excuse me. Let's see. No. Lower. It's even. You see how it done that? I wonder if it bounces here or breaks below that. Wicks are even on this. I've read about one strategy that takes trades based off that. Nothing I'll use. Nothing that I remember all of, but... But the candles have to actually close, you know? Nope, not yet. Haven't taken a trade. I want a little lower. Little lower.
I needed a bit lower too, man. Unfortunately, I fear that it's going to hold us above this 300.
Yes, Aunt. That's exactly what I do. Ryan, I don't think I have that problem. No one get it? Alright. I'll laugh silently. Oh. Some people got it, at least. It's in the YouTube side chat. I know, too far. I'm sorry. I apologize. We might get the push down here. What?
This is getting kind of tough to long. We'll see. I've been following you for 3 years. The most disciplined trader I've seen. Learned so much from you. Let's go. God bless.
Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. What's everyone sipping on this morning? Coffee or tea? What we go with? No beer this early. You'll be asleep by noon. You start drinking beer right now. Herbs? Tea? Nice. I'm drinking some tea as well. Jacob said whiskey. You'd definitely be asleep. You'd be taking an afternoon nap. Nice, Nick. That's my go-to. Coconut water? I haven't had coconut water in forever. I don't drink often. Don't get me wrong. I could drink beer whenever, but... Alright, here we are. Watch. Lock in.
We're gonna trace back up. I'll try it. Testing the beast of the wongs.
Jaden started his position.
290.
I'm a little hesitant, guys. I'm a little hesitant to take it here.
It'll be one of those trades. Put my stops at 270.
Let me see.
269 actually.
A little bit hesitant. I'm taking it. I'm gonna try it. Well, I'm gonna try a small piece here. I'm not crazy about this setup.
Try 290, everybody.
I tried a small piece of MNQ longs, everyone. My stops are gonna be
I had to try it.
20-point stop, solid, okay? 20-point stop. I got filled at 91 on that. I'm interested in a big move, okay? I'd like to see a big move up here. Did you pass it, eval, Austin? Nice. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. I'm telling you, I get pumped when you all make some money. Pass the evals, I don't care. Well, we're up, nice. Decent. So where should our first trim spot be if we get a trim, if it don't stop us out first? Where would we put our where would we trim at? Stops are 20 points. Or at the bottom of this green candle here. Right here. 270. Stop. If we could get up around 320, I would take a trim, everyone. I'm being a little greedy here. Being a little greedy. 320 would be awesome. Yeah, NVIDIA has to get it together or this trade will fail. That's just how it is. We need the video to continue the pump. I mean, we're up a little bit here, 10 points or so, but nothing crazy. Don't do it. Go up. Of course, VIX confirming here with this, going against their position. Oh. This trade's it's going to be a tough one because it could push down to 264 before bouncing, but that wouldn't be the proper risk reward for us. So we're going to have to keep our stop at 270. Yeah, I got in longs at 291 was my entry. 291 is where I entered longs. 320 area is where I'll trim. Stop loss is 270 for me. 270. We just have an EMA there. That's it. Will we get our trim? I hope so. That previous candle had some weird volume, but you got out just because you didn't like it. I don't blame you all. If we get in a trade, you don't like the price action, you want to get out, break even, go ahead. That's I will never blame you for that. So, but I'm gonna follow this through. It either hit my stop loss or we'll make money on this trade. Okay. Let's get ready to trade at trim at 320. Okay. If we get up there, we'll have to get up 320 before I trim. Jay done got out.
7 points, 6 points.
You got out of the trade?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still in. I figured.
My stop below that previous 5-minute low at 284, and it got it by 1 point. If we see a strong 5-minute candle here, I'll look at re-entry, but I'm not going to re-enter right now. We got my first trim spot too, above 310.
Oh, I haven't trimmed yet. I'm going for 320.
I didn't know you got in. You were muted.
No, I didn't want to speak over you. I knew we was taking the same trade.
Oh.
Literally, I got filled at 91. You got filled at 90.
I get filled at 91 too.
Oh,
so
did you?
7 point loss, yeah. I called it at 290, but I got filled at 91. It's gonna go now. Watch.
Rip up. Give us a
Good
trim.
move.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Push up.
This is what I wanted to see. Let's move above.
Push up. Give us a trim. I have a limit set right there at 320 to get filled, everyone. If we get up there. Jesus. Come on. Hey, filled my trim. Filled my trim, everyone. Trim. Move my stop to entry. So if it pushes back down, I will be out of this trade. Stop's at entry. 91 is where my stop is. Okay? Or Well, it's at 93, close enough. A little bit in profits. That's what I'm talking about. 3-0 on the week. We haven't had a losing trade this week together. Anybody doing well? Reaching some payouts? Anything off this trade? Love to see if you want to share that with us. Yeah, I got trimmed. 320 was my trim. I got filled rather. I trimmed once. I wasn't crazy heavy in this trade, everyone, so it's not going to be a massive day for me, but still green. I'm still in this trade. If you haven't already, everyone, go to grizzlytrades.com and get my free ebook I released a couple days ago. All you gotta do is go to grizzlytrades.com, download it in like 2 minutes, 1 minute. It's a very short read as well. So there we go. Keep going. Next trim will be a high day for me if we get up there. I'm super light. I'm trying to hold off. I want to catch the big move here. You all can trim, at 40, 340 if you like, 360, but I would like to see high day. 3 green days in a row. That's right. We took longs earlier. Do not chase, everyone. If he wasn't in here when we took the trade, don't chase it. We've already made money. We're just letting our rest of our position do its thing. Could be a decent trade here, everyone. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I've got my next trim set at 360. Right around 360, everyone. Right around that high day. You all feel free to trim before that and move your stops up if you would like, but that's how I'm managing it. We was spot on with this trade. Good job, everyone, when we was discussing it this morning. We was spot on. From what I can see here, and we might not reach it today, we have room up to 25,400 before we have supply, hourly supply. And that's what I would like to get out of this trade if possible, if it doesn't pull back and stop us out, What's up, Thomas? Can I explain why I didn't think it would go lower? I try not to think too much, when I'm entering the trade, but I just like to follow our system that we have, our proven system that that has made us money this year. It's typically easier to buy, right? Or cheaper, or I did move my stop up to 303, everyone, okay? A little more in profits there. Giving it a little room. You heading out, Austin? See you, Kimber. Kim, rather, sorry. See you, Kim. Nice, Thomas. Glad you made some money. Yeah, I am.
What, Grizzly?
I'm just letting this trade play out. Hopefully I get high a day.
Yeah, I got frustrated, man. Hit me by 1 point. 1 point.
That's awesome. Let's see here. Let's see. Oasis with a payout from Tradeify, 3,000. That's awesome. Congrats, man.
This 2-bar might be it. I didn't take it on the initial pop down at 320, but this might be it.
Oasis got a nice payout, 3,000. This was based off the orb strategy, Travis. The reason we took this. It was the orb strategy, everyone. We had the confirmation candle like we always look for, and we just wait for retracement of it, and it stops at the bottom. Ideally, we want to get into this as close to a 15-minute range high as possible, but we had this fair value gap that set us up for a very nice entry spot. Right? Everyone understand? Any questions? That's alright, boss DJ. Hopefully you made some money though, man. What will I make off this trade? It's gonna get my stop, everyone. Alright, I'm out. Trade's over for me. Nice trade though, right? What was that? 91 to 340. Solid. Only made. I didn't make 4 figures off that trade. Still in the hundreds. Nice trade. It's alright, history. See if we can catch another trade. I like the volume on this for a possible short entry. Would it be crazy to look for shorts now? Probably. Is Jay done looking for shorts? I try my best to call the trades in Team Ball all the time. I just don't like to interrupt Jay Dunn if he's looking at the same setup as I am. I don't take time to speak over people when I'm locked in on a trade either. I'm ready to make money. You're almost there, Josh. Just be very patient and selective. Light size. I'm thinking about trying shorts at 318. If we push up, I'm considering it.
Come on. Pull back already. I'm not long in this. We could hold 300, but after this previous 5-minute candle, I'm not long in this.
I guess you're looking for 318.
Yep.
McCoy, I put in chat I was out of the trade to chat. I'm completely out of the longs from earlier. Have my stop in profits.
I'm glad your stop was put in profits. Mine got wicked out by 1 point.
I can see it. The candle's just like sticking out to.
I'm glad you made money though. For real though.
I didn't make much. If that helps you any. I was light. I made some $100 bills.
Right. We're breaking up the Team Bull shirt. It's Team Bull.
Just watching volume here, Mason. We have a risk defined. If we tried shorts, 341 would be our stop. I'm just afraid we're gonna chop around here, you know, kind of chop until we break out to the upside more. That's my only concern. It's the retracement of that candle, 318, 320 area, 50% area on the it's true, William. I'm gonna have to turn on the delta in front of me here. If we're gonna take this, I need to watch it. I'm gonna pull up the footprint chart in this big chart in front of me. Let's see here. So this candle right here had negative 953 delta. 953 negative delta on this candle. So it looks good. I'd down, push up a little more. But this red candle here, everyone, it had positive plus 141. Can everyone hear me well on YouTube? Shazel said he was having a little issues hearing me on here. Appreciate it. All right. Just not crazy about this setup. We gonna try it? Oh. Stretch. It's gonna sell off here without us. 2 points from our entry, everyone. 2 points. What about that? I'm not even really interested in taking it now that we sold off, even if it did push up. This candle here did have positive delta, 168 positive.
Eventually, you stick around when
All
you
right.
realize I'm trying to help you.
Oh, sorry.
What up, Grizzly?
I just telling everyone I'm not taking the shorts. We pushed up, sold off. We missed my entry by 2 points. So
Me too. I was looking for 320.
I wanted 318 for my entry. Just didn't get it. I'm not taking it now. I feel like it's this push up.
My worry is that we tried to push out, will fail, and then if we do push out, we're just gonna explode through here.
Yeah. What is Delta?
I'm still also watching 320, but I'm not as confident.
Are you in Team Bull, Kim? I put a thing in my channel about Delta, but you can just ask AI. It'll break it down for you. Pretty simple. Just a lot to explain through over voice.
I don't like that we tried the same deal. We tried to push out, failed. See how we reacted.
What am I looking at, Irish? I'm looking at the footprint charts. See if we can see what Delta's telling us. Because price action can lie. It's hard to trick. It's hard to lie with Delta.
What's Delta saying?
Delta's saying the previous green candle had 168 Delta. The big red candle that sold back off, what time was that? 10:30. It had negative 953 Delta. And
Really? 4 points shy. Stop being so shy. Stop being so shy, baby. Just give us a liquidity sweep and die.
Beck, this is just something TradingView has. You come right here to your where you can choose your volume, your candles or whatever, and come down to volume footprint. It comes on TradingView. Any thoughts on NVIDIA earnings, Michael? I don't know. I don't play earnings, but I feel like NVIDIA could be the one that does a lot, you know? That being said, I'm just going to spectate. I wonder what it's like trying to trade an NQ during it. You know? I'm not fixing to do anything right now, Mr. Babar. What are you looking for? What you got cooking over there? See you, Bill. Have a nice day, man.
It wasn't personal damage for sure. Come on, don't do it.
It's going to be close on this one. This candle.
If we get 320, I'll still watch for shorts.
I think I agree with you, Naya. I like that 330 better than I do anything for a possible short now. Why does that only show on one chart? Oh, didn't mean to do that. Let's see. Well, I appreciate that, Thomas. You are the man, as always. you ever need anything, let me know. All right. I made some sushi money today. Let me see how much I made. I try to tell you all every day. We got a Fed speaker, Ryan. Your daughter loves sushi. I like sushi as well. Like I said, tuna avocado roll. It's a go-to. I may go have some right after this, actually. Should I drop another recap of the trade we caught today, everyone? You all watch it on YouTube if I do. We had a decent amount of views on the recap yesterday. When I used to do them steady, though, I used to get thousands. I just quit doing them. You know how it goes when you lose momentum on posting. That's for sure, Jack. For sure. Patricia, me too. What's up, Sosa? How you doing? We just now touched that 15-minute range, low for the or high for the first time. TikTok, midman. Have a good day in class, Thomas. What's up? Did I miss what you said? Renus? I said that right, Renus? I see a short entry again. Have to be around 300 though. Well, why is my live screen? What buttons are you looking for, One Nation? I stream like this so you all get the fastest live stream. If I stream from my phone and you don't have as much delay as you do when people stream from their actual desktops. I'm just worried about making some money trading with you all. Have a good day, Fabiola. Oh yeah, I used to do that back in the day, Josh, when I was more of a when I traded shares more, options more, but I don't have an issue buying and selling market by clicking, and also I can just my computer's touchscreen, Josh. So appreciate that, One Nation, but you don't have to buy me anything ever. I'm telling you all, I do appreciate when you do. It's not something I expect or need. So I just enjoy hanging out, to be honest. Just like hanging out. Just keep sifting things, man. I'm assuming you are, yeah. Danielle, appreciate that. Let's see what we do on this candle here. We've got 2 minutes. We're sweeping that 15-minute range low, or high. I don't know why I keep saying low. We're sweeping the 15-minute range low right now. I want to see where we close. I want to see what kind of volume and delta we have on this candle. What's up, Team Bull? I'm watching for another possible setup here. I want to see how this candle closes. This is actually, this is a retest of the 15-minute range high. I want to see how we close this candle. I want to see the volume and delta on it.
What are you watching for?
I'm watching for a possible long now.
Yeah, that's a tough candle to short.
TikTok. I don't know if y'all can still hear me. They said they was trying to restrict my live, but can you still see it? If you can't see it, move over to YouTube real quick, okay? Grizzlytrades.com, you can move over to... Okay, you can see it? Alright, good. They must have accepted my appeal. Alright. Oh yeah. Let's see what volume we get on this candle here.
I'm not shorting this, guys.
292. Stops at 260. Oh, this is looking good for decent for a long entry.
Yeah, maybe like a close up here.
280 entry.
280.
Yeah, I like that. Stops at
There's no risk.
260.
Like 15.
Yeah, 265.
I can get down with that. Still got room for 2 more trades. Alright, yeah, I'm not shorting that candle, no way. So I'll look for a retest down to like 280 area, potentially to 290. It stops below 260.
You all understand the plan here that wants to take a trade with me?
Why did I do that? There we go.
Is anybody watching to take this trade with me? If you only take it if you agree with it,
Pull
okay?
back now.
Do not go
290 to 280.
do not go red after that first winning trade we had.
Looking for the longs now, everybody. It's just a screw your pullback today. Just screw your pullback today. That first trade got me by 1 point. What the hell? Look at that. What the hell was that? Literally happened in 2 seconds. What literally happened in under 2 seconds? In 1 second.
Fed speaker.
Still watching for longs, everybody.
Is the Fed speaker still going? It's a weird movement.
Touch. I like that 280 area still a lot. So you only have 15, call it 20 points of risk.
TikTok, where's everyone going? I guess it's just not sharing it anymore.
I took one trade that got stopped out by 1 point for a 7-point loss. So
I hope we just get hopefully we don't get in this trade that's rip straight down to our stop. I'm keeping my stop at the bottom of this candle, everyone. If we get in right there, 264.5.
here's my plan: is I'll try if we get closer to 280 for longs. If I get stopped out below that, I'll potentially watch for one more setup. If I lose that, I'd be done. My plan right now is to full focus on that 280-ish area entry.
Well, it told me it was gonna freeze my live TikTok when it said it's gonna freeze it, and I appealed it. So I'm assuming maybe it worked. I don't know. I'm not in yet. Once we get into the 80s, it'll be okay for me to start entering. I don't want to enter in the 90s. This is too much risk.
Come on, DOD, 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 DOD.
You all can hear Jaden say he's trying it. If you want to get in with him or me, it don't matter. I'm going to try a little bit in the area when we get down there.
Volume's not as sketchy, but come on.
This is it. Oh, this is the area if we're going to try it.
Touched almost down there. Still not entered.
Come on. Just a touch lower. Just a touch lower. Yeah.
I don't want to just get ripped straight to the downside.
That's what I was thinking.
Starting a piece of longs, guys. I tried it. 88.
Jaden's in. Jaden is in. I want 280. Just a little bit lower. I'm being extra picky where I had that winning trade, everyone. A little bit lower.
I lose this trade, I'll have room for one more. If I find a setup that I like. If not, I'll send the day red. If you guys want a little safer entry for so you can wait till 80, but I did try it.
All right, everyone. I'm trying this trade. I am trying the M&Q longs. Stop loss is, it may just rip down and grab it real quick, but my stop loss is at 265.
That's what I'm worried about too, bro. I like this 5-minute chart, but I'd be boned if I didn't try it.
Yeah, this is, I mean, it's legit. Retest. Let's see.
Yeah. I got hard stops at 65. Or yeah, 65.
I'm not for sure how I got filled at 90 on that, but that's what I got filled at. For some reason, it was at 286 when I tried to get in. Just rip straight up to high day. No hesitation. I will trim at 20 points though if we get it.
Me too.
20 points. So 310 is my trim spot. 310 is where we'll trim.
Me too.
Let's do it, man.
Give me my 310 this time. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Do it for Naz Daddy. Work that move up for Naz Daddy. Come on. This is what I want to see happen to those Bears. Strangle!
Bro hates Bears. Grizzlies.
That's what I want for these Bears right now.
Come on. It looks good, everyone. I like the setup. If we get stopped out, it's not because the setup wasn't there. Just because the trade has failed. And that happens. 310, everyone. Where we trim. You all ready to trim if we get 310? You locked in? Thanks, Brian. Hope you've made some money today as well. Oh wow, I gotta adjust my stop loss. It was a little lower down than I thought. There we go. 265. Is that 260? You can always move your stop to your entry if you don't like this setup, okay? Just, especially if you caught that first winning trade. I don't blame you. I'm gonna let it play out. I'm positioned right, so even if it hit my stop, I would still be green on the day. That's smart, Brian. Good idea. $310's all we need for a trim. We're not far from it. Come on. Super low volume on that candle. I hate to see it. Yeah, I'm in a second trade, Jonathan. I'm in longs. I got it at 290. We had a... Jonathan, was you here for the first winning trade we caught? Wasn't for sure if he was actually in the live at that point. Come on. Give us 310. Quit playing. I don't blame you. One good trade's all you need, Jonathan. It's back at our entry, or close to it at least. It's at our entry now. I'm hanging in there. It'll hit my stop loss or our first trim. See you tomorrow, Nick. No, don't you do it. I was hoping to get the breakout to the upside here, break above the trend. He's a rip now. We'll see you in the morning, Justin. How am I liking this trade so far? I'm riding it until it either hits my stop or my first trim.
Me too.
I'm positioned to be green regardless from that first trade, everyone. So
I don't like that we're making lower highs. You cut that out, Nasdaqita.
just need to break above this 5-minute trend line we formed here.
I know. I'm in trouble. See. Nasdaqita's not being very nice to me.
310's my first trim. Jope. 310.
Okay, there's red candle, but a little wick. There's hope.
A little sign of life there.
There's a little sign of life. Maybe. Unless we just sell it off immediately.
Nvidia hit high today. NQ, following the video. What are you doing?
Nvidia moving up.
High day.
I haven't looked at Nvidia yet. It's gonna be 0 for 2 today. I mean, technically 0 for 1.5. That first trade was some BS, but it's still technically a loser. So gotta own it. back to entry now. How's our 15-minute chart looking?
Hopefully better than the 5.
15-minute actually looks decent. Stops below that 264. I mean, this is a trade that even if we get stopped out now or in 10 seconds or in 10 minutes, this is the trade I would take every time. Every test back down the trend, we break through this downtrend, we should see a nice move up.
Oh, I'm like 8 points in profit.
Yep. I'd love to see, ideally, like 320s on this, but I could have technically taken profit there and been green on the day, but that's ego trading, guys. I don't want to trade ego. I want to trade my system. I don't care if I'm red. My hard stops are at 64, everybody. So you guys know. Or it's 263.75 to be exact. 264.
TikTok, can you still see my screen? It kicked me off. My stop, I'm gonna 265 or 270 honestly makes more sense, but 265 is where the trade would invalidate.
In a minute.
Come on, NQ. My phone's gonna die before we get done.
We're also made a lower low from the last 2 candles. This one's laying in the buyers and sellers of the overall market's fate. I'm either getting stopped out at 2 below that low 5-minute candle, or we're getting 310 plus. I don't like that we're consolidating below 300, below 290 now.
Of course, we're getting a trade like this after I did legs this morning. I'm standing here half the day.
I hope we don't close this 5-minute week with higher volume.
I'm gonna keep my stop at 265, everyone.
No, I would have ended up green in the last trade. In the first trade, I would have for sure trimmed above 310. No doubt. I mean, I entered at 290. We went all the way up to...
Is anybody in this trade with me? It's boring, isn't it? It still looks decent, but you can see it's trying to push down towards your stops. You stopped at break even. Nothing wrong with that if you didn't like the setup. I'm still in. It'll either hit my stop or I would trim. I'll be pushing up. Let's see what Jaden's saying. You have to turn on the song, Jaden. What is going on over there? I muted at the wrong time. This trade's gonna make me stop out of it, not because it's invalid, but because I'm ready to go. I don't want to sit here, stand here all day. You know? You ever feel like that? I've already made my money, you know? You about to hit the gym, Nate? Give us 310. All you have to do is push up. Like 15 more points. Come on. What is going on here with this? We got in this trade, price action just froze here.
I know, it's lame.
Give us 310. That's all we want. I mean, it's not all we want.
To put my stop below like 82. I just will not let what happened last time happen again. So I'm just gonna keep my normal stop. You can follow your plan. If you don't like the action, I don't blame you. I'm just saying what I'm doing. I'd like to see the trend move up. 15-minute looks a little more promising than 5, but basically
come on, push.
You're looking for a
push.
Hold right here.
Push up.
Stops below here. Come on, 310.
Rip
just one
up.
time for the one time. We're not asking for the world. See, I hate that we keep selling that off for weeks. We touch up and we just immediately sell off.
Dad strength. It's awesome, D. You're very welcome.
Is just a whole wall of sellers there.
Do it.
Nazdequita, ve a 310 y me quitarte toda la ropa y corre.
What is with the random Spanish breakouts? Oh. I'm riding this. It's either gonna hit my stop or my trim, everyone. I'm hanging in here with you all. TikTok's not sharing my live now. Or something. Everyone's leaving or something. See if TikTok, see if it'll let you share the live. I had a weird message earlier on here, like it was trying to kick it off. This range is horrible. We're stuck in this last 20 minutes. 30 minutes or 25 minutes, however long it's been. What's up? Good morning, everyone. Or afternoon, whatever time it is. We've been in this trade forever, it feels like. One winner, and we're currently in another. At this point, I wish it would just do what it's going to do. Stop us out or rip up. Still going to be green. You should be positioned to be green no matter what if you caught that first trade with me. Uh-oh, it's getting a little life here. Do we get the trim or is it just going to play with us here? Do we get the trim? It's going to play with us. $3.10. Give us $3.10. That's all we want. Not all we want. After that, give us high day, but give us $3.10 for now. Do it. It's about to rip. It's about to give it to us. Go straight down to our stop when I say that. Come on. Closest we've been. Do it. Boom. No, I didn't get it. Keep going. A little bit higher. A little higher. Wrong way. No way it's gonna miss my entry. I'm holding. I didn't get a trim off there. It didn't hit it. I'm holding till it hits my fill. It's me and you, NQ. Me and you. There it is. Trim. Beautiful. Move your stop to entry. I aged 2 years during that trade, everyone. Maybe more. There we go. Jesus.
Yes, please. Give me an update, please.
Stop is at entry now, Team Bull. I trimmed at 310.
Update, please.
Anybody make any money on the that trade with me? Or Jay done? Just curious. If you didn't fall asleep during it.
Oh. Yes, please, redeem. Please redeem my update.
What is going on over there?
Please. Please redeem. Update.
Hit your life alert.
You want to feel about the Bears right now? They tried to push us down. They tried to.
Ooh. Next price target. High day would be a good one, but that's quite a ways. I just trim maybe at like 340. There've been some resistance there. All right, everyone. You all think you can manage this trade if I end the lives here? I've had enough. Had enough this morning, everyone. We got our trim off. You got your stop at entry. You either hit your stop and you make money, or it hits your next price target. You all got this, right? Please, we've had 2 winning trades today. Do not take any more. Please. Respectfully. Go download my free ebook, grizzlytrades.com. It's 100% free. Go download it.